See, right now we might get our own raft. What? It's an hour before they close to get ready for Knott's Scary Farm. But so far every ride's been like 10 minutes, if not 5. Huh, Chico? Thumbs up? So I'll bust the camera open during the ride and we'll see how it goes. Oh, the wolf pack is in the house. Too sweet. Hey, turn him around. Turn around. Yeah.
This adventure, you must be at least 46 inches tall.
I like the Chief Stoned over there. Dang, that thing looks like it got like blasted by water.
Glasses, bags, electronics.
Snoop's ready. Are you ready? Oh crap. Maybe I should put my seatbelt on. Oh! Oh! Here we go, it's gonna get her. Oh! Oh, I got it in my ear. That was nasty. Oh, that was nasty. As long as oh, is there anyone trying to explode us? No. The heck was that, a raccoon? Freaking Miko? Oh. Oh, Snoop got wet. Oh! We got rocked. No one's trying to blow us up. Oh yeah, look at it! I saw you! I saw her! Going into the final cave, the final turn.